This podcast has been sponsored by Joe Biden.
In loving memory of Donald Trump, President 2016 to 2020. Cheers.
Cheers.
यार बीच में मत बोल.
Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of the podcast Beach Mein Mat Bol, because the hosts are themselves talking in the middle and not allowing the guests to come up. As usual, I'm their seniors and बच्चे हैं, काम खुद ही करना पड़ता है हम लोग को because juniors काम नहीं करते कॉलेज में, and it's so sad that the guest has to be the host. But welcome to the podcast. Here is my dream team, Rishabh Bhaskar, who is also known as Chota Zakir. Zakir Hussain, not Zakir Khan. That's a difference. Kashyap, who is a fake NRI apparently, and he's
Yeah. That's
put on some weight since the last time I saw him. And
I'm on
Dhanush,
rehab,
who has
actually.
become a bona fide bong now, something I recently discovered. So,
How
पहला
are you,
question क्या
comrade?
आने वाला है मेरे पास?
Okay. Like every
Before we
American,
even start, Dhanush, I'd like to add one thing in classic American way. Trying to take things into his own hand is Ajay Parthasarathy, our guest for today.
yeah, that's what being a classic American that Ajay is trying to be
What?
right now. No, not
Yeah,
insurgency.
that's just the American
Not
way, guys.
insurgency with
No
our
need to be
podcast. Please
surprised
stop
about
it
it.
now. I'm the host. Stop it.
All right.
Okay.
I have
Anyways,
taken over your podcast, Dhanush.
hello and welcome to Beach Mein Mat Bol, the thing that you're scared to tell your father. We have Ajay, who's currently staying in America, and we are here to discuss
I don't know why I'm doing this.
every Russian hacker's G-spot. That's America, the birthplace of
USA. Talking about the most happening divorce of all time that's going to happen in 2021.
Kanye West and Kim
Kanye-
Kardashian.
Yeah.
No, Trump and Pence, bro.
No, Trump
No,
and
not
Melania.
even that. Trump and
Donald
Melania.
Trump and Melania.
Melania is okay, but Trump is more heartbroken that Pence has left him than Melania in the future will leave him.
Trump,
Yeah.
Mitch McConnell, everybody is back.
Pence has taken a stand finally.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
And
like the most redeeming thing he's done in 4 years, I guess.
Yeah.
Most redeeming thing, like,
No, he is trying to save whatever's left of his career now.
because he can't be a part of that fuckery. He cannot make himself a part of that. He knows
Right.
there is life beyond Trump as well. He has to still live in this country.
He was in a toxic relationship for 4 years, dude.
And just a sidebar though, if Mike Pence manages to invoke the 25th Amendment, he could be the next American hero. People will love him finally. He has a chance to properly, truly redeem himself if he invokes the 25th Amendment. Let's see that if that happens or not.
They are being forced to support Trump because even though it's not their conservative ideologies, most of the Republicans are supporting Trump, even though that's not one of their things.
It's like saying someone supports Modi because they are in the BJP.
Exactly.
The same thing.
Exactly.
It's the same thing. You have to.
Let's talk about the recent thing that happened, the Capitol building siege, which was, I think, one of the biggest. If I see it, it was one of the biggest disgraces that has happened in America. And what are your reactions and what are since you stay in a blue state, what मतलब तुम्हारे ग्रुप्स में तो चलते ही रहेगा, क्या रिएक्शन है तुम लोग का उधर?
So what happened with me was it was nighttime for me. I'm currently in India, so it was nighttime for me, and I was talking to a couple of friends on Zoom, and it was like, dude, you have to turn on CNN right now. And I was like, I don't know what happened. And in my mind, I was with the level that they were panicking. I was like, 9/11 type कुछ हो गया क्या यहाँ पे? And then I turn on the news and I see Capitol में पूरा मतलब झुंड में public अंदर. And to me, it was like, my first reaction was, what the fuck is going on right now? Because what else do I say? It's peak chaos, peak insanity. And if you look carefully at what happened, in my opinion, it was carefully planned and thought about executions. It's not like कि Trump ने बोल दिया crowd में कि
Went in
go
the
storm the
spur of the
Capitol
moment.
and it happened. It was not the case for sure, because if you look closely, there were people who came up with t-shirts saying Civil War with the date. January 6, 2021. There was a date
We'll put
printed
a
on
few
it.
photos here. We'll put a few photos.
So,
And the most
already
iconic
announced
photo
it.
that actually got covered by time. I'm sorry to interrupt,
Yeah.
Bhaskar.
Yeah.
Those three guys, one from that Duck Dynasty guy, the other is Jake Angeli, so the center guy with the tattoos. He is basically a follower of QAnon. QAnon is
Yeah.
another conspiracy theory organization, far right organization, which, and I quote, I'll just read it from the BBC News. At its heart, QAnon is a wide ranging, completely unfounded theory that says that Trump is waging a secret war against elite Saturn worshipping pedophiles in government, businesses, and the media. So basically, they are portraying him as a savior of some sort.
Yeah.
So
And
they
also,
Wow.
that
and also
Tom
the
Hanks
theory that if you guys have checked out that video that came out last night, I think it was Eric Trump who posted a video, or I think it was a video that got leaked. They were in the war room. I don't know
Yeah,
where
yeah.
it was, but
TV देख रहे थे ना?
TV dekh rahe the, there was
पूरा,
music going on,
हाँ.
and like the others were literally celebrating on what's
It wasn't
happening.
Super
Eric.
Bowl.
It was
It's like a
Donald
Super
Jr.
Bowl Sunday.
Yeah,
Donald
I think
Jr.
it was
and he flipped the camera.
yeah,
Flipped the
exactly.
camera and he's posing with his wife and talking something.
And they were sort of in that jubilant mood about what was going on. So it was definitely thought about. It was definitely a strategic operation, because you cannot enter the Capitol building just like that, even
like
though
that.
there are 5,000 people. The police, the cops, the securities, they were just standing and they let people in. And
And
some
one
of them
thing
were
that-
caught taking selfies with the
Yeah, yeah.
protesters and the
There's a
rioters.
lot of stuff in Twitter right now.
Anyway, two interesting things that happened. Number one, I like how the mentality works. Like they were into the mentality wherein they brought guns and they raided Capitol Hill, if I'm not wrong, right? And once they entered inside, and there was this velvet rope barricading that we usually have. Once they saw that, they were like dumbfounded. Now, what do we do? Okay, so everybody's following in line. Everybody's going from that, and I'm like, how that, how that actually works? Like they are there to protest, but as soon as they see, oh, it's a pedestrian crossing. Okay, we'll wait for a green signal. It's like that, right? And secondly, that guy who was taking the president podium with him, the speaker podium,
The speaker podium.
the sheer smile on his face, he was so happy about it.
And he has been uska selfies bhi aaya na with the Trump family, various
Yeah.
members of the Trump family.
Photos आया है.
Yeah.
So I don't know how. I mean, the sheer dumbness of people who raided Capitol building is. They posted on social media. That's fine. They're mentioning their names. They're saying this is one guy is a sworn representative in some state. I don't remember the state. Let me just think. He's saying that, yeah, I'm Derek. Derek is in Capitol. I'm like, what the fuck is going on? You guys know that it's a federal offense that you're going in, and
Yeah.
you're still saying your name, you're mentioning your name, which is sheer dumbness.
No, I saw one of these videos yesterday, and I remembered this Veer Das Wala stand-up. So one of the protesters said, "We are taking America back." So I remembered when Veer Das said this thing. He was referring to the Article 370, and they were like, "From who? Ourselves." so, so it was the same reaction that I had. We are taking America back. भाई कहाँ से खुद से क्या
Yeah,
करके
it's a
आए हो?
revolution.
क्या
That
रहे
was
हो?
one chick was crying that it's a revolution. We're taking America. What?
The chick from
that
Nashville.
actually, oh, this is when you said Partha that it's a strategic thing. I think they had been planning this for a long time. And
Of course.
Trump's election came, they were like, there were certain interviews where they have seen that we are ready. Like these were back in 2018 and 2017, and people with guns and all, they're like, we are ready. So what they're ready for, they just want an opportunity. And Donald Trump has given, like, it's like he's opened the lid, like, go on, kar lo abhi, पर तुमको फुटने का ही है अभी. That is what
14
happened.
दिन है तुम्हारे पास, बचा लेना अपने देश को.
Seriously.
He literally referred to something like that. He even said in one of the video messages that he posted after this whole
It
thing
got
happened.
deleted.
Yeah, in one of them he said, "We love you" to the protesters.
We
and the
understand
rioters.
where you're coming from and we love you. I'm like, no, dude, that's not what you say. And in the opposite, in the opposite direction,
The
when
BLM.
BLM was happening, Black Lives Matter, this guy was in a other level, like these
Correct.
guys are rioters. This is not
Every other day it was law and order.
When
and
the
all.
looting
Yeah.
starts, the shooting starts. That was his tweet.
Yeah.
And I'm like, what the fuck, dude? You're the president. But
But
anyway,
I'm
this
so
is not
glad that
this is not something new
in the
for
end
Trump.
Mike Pence really stood up to this whole bullshit. And
You know what, Partha? I was feeling that in some or the other way, this was going to happen, not at this scale, like in
yeah, exactly.
Capital.
Something bad was going to happen was something that everybody
Yeah.
expected, that he's not going to give up his presidency so easily.
He was not going
But,
to go easy. He was
yeah.
not going to leave the office that easy. Anticipated by Barack Obama and Joe Biden as well.
Yeah.
Like there was an interview with Joe Biden, and he said that we know that it's not going to go easy for us. The transition has not started. The offices
Correct.
have denied transitions. Trump has specifically said to directly to those departments that if you do it, it's going to be difficult for you guys. So these guys were already prepared, but this was a different scale, I think. They
Yeah,
were- Capitol Hill
What
storming
I
was
think
like
in this
9/11.
the cap.
You
Okay,
can still keep it 9/11 because they are comparing this with 9/11 actually.
It's worse
Even though
because
people did not die, but it is an act of terrorism. It's a state-sponsored terrorism.
Vandalism would be the right word, I'd say. Not
no, it's
No,
terrorism.
actually,
It's
what happened-
terrorism.
no, in American terms, it would be vandalism. These are proper white people who were raiding
In
the
white-
premises, so it won't be.
If
It
you're
won't count
coming
as
from
terrorism.
It's not- that's
if you're
the
coming
point,
from
you know.
white privilege, it will be
Exactly.
vandalism. But if you're not, then it's terrorism. It depends on the
Exactly.
context that you are in.
If it's white people, you can say it vandalism. But if you see black people or any other ethnicity to do it, then it becomes an act of terrorism against the
That
country. And
stupid
That's what
guy
happened
with
during the BLM
Indian
protest,
flag
right?
there. One stupid guy with an Indian flag.
Indian
and I'm
flag.
like, dude,
Yeah.
Veerdas put it very correct. Every crowd is not a cricket match. Just go home.
मतलब एक बंदा सोचा रहेगा ऐसे उधर जाके या इंडिया इंडिया
मेरे दिमाग में तो वो एक
But he
वही
was
आया,
not like. If you
Kunal
look at the
Kamra बोला
current
था ना,
political scenario in India, he's justified to raise an Indian flag there just to so
मेरे को
maybe
मेरे को
BJP is
तो
supporting Modi, Trump over there.
Same,
Yeah,
same.
we are with you.
But the irony is Modi criticized this whole thing. So खुश हो गया उधर के उधर ही पूरा.
obviously he's
या
got to
मोदी
make friends
मोदी
with
also
Biden
went
now.
too far bro, too far. मैं ऐसा स्टेटमेंट नहीं दे सकता.
मेरा कैपिटल जल रहा है.
But the most interesting part of this is the Capitol building. Last it was attacked in such a level was in 1814 when Britishers had burnt it, and after that इधर ये 2021 में शुरू हुआ है, ये सब हुआ है. तो that's what weird thing is. दो कंट्रीज है इधर जो which were under British rule, जो बोले कि हाँ हम लोग डेमोक्रेसी बनेंगे और दोनों जला रहे खुद को ही.
I just hope they don't burn down the White House before Trump leaves office. That's my nightmare.
मेरे को लगता है ट्रम्प खुद ही जाएगा और ऐसा लाइटर जलाएगा, आई एम बर्निंग दिस करके खुद ही जाके भाग जाएगा वो.
You never know. That might as well happen. You never know.
This brings me
Or
to
if Joe Biden
point.
takes office and these people storm into kicking
I think
out,
he'll be
then that's
impeached even before 20th. Like we have 12 days, right? I think he'll be impeached.
13 days, yeah, I guess he might be.
Anyway,
I
what I
think
was saying is like
there's a bigger possibility that Mike Pence will be the 46th president of the United States. Biden will have
even
to be
before
the 46th.
Biden.
Yeah, there's a possibility of that happening.
Like एक दिन का president, they like somebody in US
उनका
watched
नायक.
this movie Nayak and
नायक.
came to Pence. You look at this, that's a great movie. Like, yeah, let's do it. Anyway, so I was saying what it feels like, what I think about this particular Capitol Hill thing is like Trump is anyway going to not be a president after 20th, and the flurry of lawsuits that's going to follow. I think he's doing it for that, so that when what do you call the jury or the judges, when they are passing sentences, they know that this kind of thing could happen if we put in a very severe sentence on Trump. This kind of thing might happen again. So that was just a backup plan, I'd say, for him, just to show his power to
But I kind of
Senate.
feel he might escape the US before that happens. I think he'll move to Russia or some
I
other
think
place where there is a
there's a
non-extradition
flight ready
treaty.
in Area 51, which is going to launch him to North
What
Korea or Russia.
conspiracy theories do you subscribe, Ajay? Please share it with me.
I think before that, what's going to happen is he's not going to attend the inauguration ceremony because he
That's
would
for
still
sure.
be president until the 20th. वो Air Force One लेगा उड़ जाएगा बाहर वो.
If
मेरा
he decides to
ये
stay in
मेरा गाड़ी है.
America, then
उधर
वो उड़
उधर
जाएगा रशिया उड़ेगा Air Force One रशिया में लैंड होगा and जो बाइडेन को
you
नया
said
plane
with
खरीदना
Snowden.
पड़ेगा.
He'll be with Snowden later. Snowden के साथ
Yeah.
selfie डाल रहा है Trump.
तो मतलब इंडिया में
living the what do you call it? Living the refugee life.
the thing is talking about journalism, the Raffensperger and Trump's conversation that just leaked, the CNN journalist who revealed the Watergate scandal, Nixon ka, he said that it's something worse than Watergate.
I mean, I'm notifying you that you're letting it happen. So, look, all I want to do is this. I just want to find 11,780 votes, which is one more than we have, because we won the state.
That is just 2 days. After just 2 days, Trump is like, I'll do something worse than that, which is amazing about Trump. Sometimes
he's
he'll
like-
just-
He has to raise the bar. He has to
I'll
raise the
see
bar
your
first.
Watergate. I'll see your Watergate scandal, and I'll raise you a Capitol Hill.
वही बोल रहा है जब वो बंदा एक रैफेंसबर्गर और इसका जब वो पूछ रहा था कि 11,000 क्या 280
12,006
300
12,000.
11,757 is my estimate, but I could be wrong. I think
yeah
it's
I forgot the
11,757.
number but
We'll
he-
just
he
put
won
it up,
so
put
many
it up
votes.
over here.
And he's asking मैं तो
Yeah,
मैं
cut
ये
up.
सोच रहा हूँ he's just asking for 2 more votes कि मेरे को बस 2 ज्यादा votes
हाँ.
बता दे उससे ज्यादा थोड़ा ज्यादा बड़ा
I think he was saying, I have 12,000, give me 12,680 votes. This is one more than you already I have.
हाँ.
So that people know that this is not rigged. I'm like, तू पागल है क्या? एक वोट के लिए कॉल कर रहा है? What are you trying to say?
But yeah
But I think it is the call was made from the Oval Office, I guess, but इतना confidential call अगर leak out हो रहा है, it's definitely someone in the White House who is doing this, who wants to
it's
bring down
Pence,
Trump.
it's Pence breakup
It
हुआ
could
था,
be,
करने वाला
it could be Pence. It could be Pence. Did you see that meme where it was written कि Trump and Pence had such a bad breakup that they not only unfollowed him on social media but also blocked him everywhere.
So coming to the COVID topic, how low was America's response to COVID? Like lower than Rudy Giuliani's pants? How low was it?
Yeah, you put it correctly. You put it in one word effectively that it is what it is. The worst part about it is Trump could have handled it, and even if people are really staying at home, at least in the Northeast, people are staying at home. So do people do in California. But I attribute most of these to rallies that Trump has organized in the last few weeks and months. People have been going in large numbers without masks and everything else. So that is definitely a big contributor to what's happening out there. And it's also the case where at this point of time, even people like me who have been at home for so long have had it enough now, because it leaves a certain mental strain on you, and you just want to go out and have some fun even for 1 or 2 days, even if that permits. And people are contracting COVID that way. So it's not just, it's a combination of multiple things that has led to what it is. But definitely, had America taken steps in the beginning itself, they would have been better off, definitely.
Yeah. Okay, on that note, guys, like, share, subscribe, and comment. And anytime you're taking a sutta break or a break in general, and if a salesman just disturbs you, make sure you go and say,
यार बीच में मत बोल